In this video, I'll show you how to create a Patreon account. We're going to go with the creator account because that'll create a normal Patreon account and a creator account. So what we're going to do is go to patreon.com. As you can see, I am here. And all we're going to do is click on Get Started on the top right. Now you can choose any option from the continue options, or you can put in your email and then hit continue. Once you've done that, what they're going to ask is what they should call you. This can be anything you want, and then create a password. Next up, they're going to ask you for your creator name. So this is the name that everybody's going to see. And once you're done there, hit continue. Then they'll give you your URL, and you can just hit continue unless you want to change it. Now, next they're going to ask you, what do you create? So that is up to you. When you're done, hit continue. On the next screen, you're going to have options of connecting your social media accounts. You don't have to do this. You can skip for now, which is what I'm going to do, or you can connect each one. All right, so you've officially created your Patreon account. One other thing that we need to do is verify our email here on the top right. Now we need to go check our inbox, and there should be a link in your email that you can click on to validate. Now that you're validated, you can hop over to your dashboard and you'll see a list of options for you to customize. That is fully up to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.